What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Now, I've been getting a ton of comments about the facial recognition on the Galaxy A51. A lot of people want to know how it works. A lot of people want to know if it's good. So in this video, we're going to check it out, and I'm going to give you my complete review on the facial recognition system on the Galaxy A51. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so first and foremost, let's go through the settings just to get to the facial recognition. Now, this is fairly quick. We're going to go to settings, then we're going to click on biometrics and security. Now, once we're here at the very top, it says facial recognition, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. So once we're here, you're just going to want to put in your PIN. Now we have some literature right here. It says a convenient way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. Your face data is secured by Knox. It also says face recognition is considered to be less secure than other lock types because there is some possibility that someone looks like you or uses an image of your face could unlock the phone. Now this is kind of a long shot. I feel like most people won't try to get a picture of you and unlock it and stuff like that, but there is stuff like that goes on. Just know that they gave you a warning. It also says keep in mind that face recognition might not recognize you if there are major changes to your appearance, such as heavy makeup, facial hair changes, or glasses. If you usually wear glasses, you might want to keep them on while you set up face recognition. Now I do actually wear glasses, so I'm going to keep them on while setting up facial recognition. So you're going to press continue. And it says, are you wearing glasses right now? So we're going to go ahead and click yes. And we're going to go ahead and start this process. So it says our face has been registered. I thought that was pretty cool that we had that little animation going around the hole punch camera right there. I thought it was really cool. Now it says when unlocking your phone with face recognition, stay on the lock screen until you swipe. And it says turn this off to go directly to the last screen you were using. So click done. We're going to go and try this out. Okay, so first try right here. 3, 2, 1. Already unlocked. Wow, that was really quick. Let's go and try this again. Wow, very, very quick right there. Let's go and try it a third time. Awesome. Fourth. Now, the other cool thing that I saw is we get the little animation around the camera. I thought that was really cool. Now, we're going to go ahead and look at it. We're going to go ahead and let the animation run for a second. Look at it. Wow. Very, very quick. Galaxy A51 definitely works really good with facial recognition. Now, if you guys do want to set this up, all you have to do is go follow the steps, but this seems to be a very, very useful feature. Definitely faster than the bionic fingerprint sensor, even though I like the fingerprint sensor, but it just opens way quicker. So let's just go ahead and try this again. 3, 2, 1, go. It's like instantaneous. That's really, really crazy. So as you guys see, we set up facial recognition. It works absolutely great on the A51. Now someone can probably take a picture and unlock your phone like that. We might try to figure that out in another video. But so far the Galaxy A51 does work very, very good with facial recognition. If you guys want to try out for yourself, go ahead and do so. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.